Ashley and welcome back to my channel. It is September 1st, which in my mind is like practically fall. Me and my ratchet nails, yeah, we love fall. I'm ready for it. Like I've been ready for it since last year. No, just kidding. But like, I don't know, I just love fall. It's my favorite season. My mom actually decorated this little table behind me. And I'm gonna show you guys where all of that stuff is from if you guys want to check it out. Also have some cool DIYs lined up for fall things, so we're gonna do some of those today. Maybe do a little bit of shopping possibly, but before we get started, pumpkin spice iced coffee recipe coming at you right now. Okay, so first you're going to need a little bit of black coffee, 1 cup of milk of your choice, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, about a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, a few drops of vanilla extract, and then microwave for 2 minutes. Add your mixture to the coffee and add some ice and you are all done. This recipe is so freaking delicious. Like, this is pretty cool. You can make it at home. You buy the ingredients. You can make yourself like one for every single day of the week. I love it. This little wooden sign from a local dollar store, and I decided to create a little design first by staining it. Then I went in with a pencil and sketched out a little pumpkin design, and then I engraved the design into the wood with this little pen. I got this pen off of Amazon. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested, but you can also pick it up at your local craft store. They're really inexpensive. You could also use a black colored pencil as well. Then I just added a little bit of color to the pumpkins and we are all done. So for this, you're gonna need some macrame cord or like a rope-like yarn. You need some scissors and a stick. So you're gonna start by measuring and cutting out all of your cords. So as many cords as you'd like, and you want them to be a little bit long. So I'd say probably about maybe 2 feet long. Then I folded all of them in half because we're gonna double them up onto the stick. And then here's where it might get a little confused. So for each folded cord, you're gonna wanna place it around the stick, and then you're gonna pull the ends. It should look a little something like this. Now you're gonna separate the cords into like 4s, sort of. So you're gonna take the first 4 cords. To make it a little less confusing, I'm actually gonna number them. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what you're gonna start by doing is you're gonna take cord number 4 and you're gonna put it over cords 2 and 3 and under cord 1. Then you're gonna take cord number 1 and you're gonna put it under cords 2 and 3 and over cord 4 and through that little loop, and then you're gonna pull it nice and tight. And then you're gonna do this again, but you're gonna do it flip. Start with cord 1, so you're gonna put cord 1 over cords 2 and 3 and under cord 4, and then cord 4 you're gonna put underneath cords 2 and 3. Continue with each row going by the sections of 4, but you're going to be eliminating the first 2 and the last 2 cords from each row, and you're going to start noticing it's going to get thinner and make that little triangle shape. Now it's time to get lit. I'm sorry. sorry, I suck, I'm sorry. I got these little string lights from the 99-cent store. I think I put the little video there so you guys can see it. They were actually really cool, and I thought they would make a nice little addition to this little fall setup, and look at how cute they are. So first I put this little sign right here because it's like on the door when you walk in. It's a little sign that we made, little DIY project here. And then over here we have I have no idea where that came from. It's actually quite terrifying. I don't know where it came from, but anyways, we have these two little pumpkins here next to this little home sign. These little pumpkins are from Target, and then that sign has been up there for years and years and years. And then we have this pumpkin here from HomeGoods. This is actually a cake stand, but it's been repurposed. It's also from HomeGoods. A little wax warmer, a candle, pumpkin candle from HomeGoods. This big old bless sign from HomeGoods. Golden pumpkin is either from HomeGoods or Ross, one of the two. That little pumpkin there is actually stressful. That's from Michael. This little tray, leaf tray, is from the Dollar Tree, and these little candles are from DECOR. And then this big gray tray is from the thrift store. It's really pretty. And then this pumpkin is actually from the thrift store, and then I just put these little green lights in it.